Over the past year and a half or so, I have been slowly building a collection of motors, most of which have been salvaged from appliances and machines like treadmills, but some of them I've purchased used, and some of them have been sent to me by neighbors like you guys. This guy, for example, and those two were all sent to me by viewers like you. What I want to do is build a comprehensive collection of motors of all the various types, both AC, DC, universals, single phase, three phase, and I want to build this collection so that I can make a comprehensive library of videos on YouTube. The videos will cover topics like how to wire them, how to control their speed, their torque capacities, their abilities to be used for different applications, like what might you use in a go-kart versus what you would use for a shop-made table saw. These are questions that I get frequently on my channel, and unfortunately I can't cover them because I don't actually have that type of motor in order to demonstrate it or test it, and I have the curiosity to know myself. If you guys could help me out with that, that would be fantastic. I'd love to fill all of these shelves with motors. I've got several other motors. This guy is almost full of motors, and I've got a bunch of small ones, but unfortunately they're all very similar to each other, and I'm trying to spread the variety a little bit. So as far as I'm concerned, the ideal scenario would be a motor that's just collecting dust in your garage, you're not using it, and you want to donate it to the channel. Maybe just send me some pictures of it, of the label, so that I can let you know if it's something I already have. But anyway, we can correspond the rest of the details through email. So just go to my website, I'll put a link in the description, and hopefully I'll be talking to many of you very soon. Thanks for watching.